Morning. I'm Dale French, Executive Vice President of CareerSource Citrus Levy Marion. And on behalf of CareerSource, I'd like to welcome you to this virtual manufacturing and logistics career fair. We're privileged to partner with the Mid-Regional Florida Manufacturing Association again this year, and we hope you take full advantage of today's events. We have many manufacturing and logistics businesses on hand, eager to meet you and fill immediate vacancies. While you're here, be sure to take virtual tours in some of our area's leading manufacturers. Learn about the various training programs available in our 3 counties and visit our information booth to learn more about CareerSource CLM and our fee-free services. Thank you for attending today.
Good morning and welcome to our annual Manufacturing and Logistics Career Fair. I'm Kathleen Betz and I'm honored to serve as Executive Director of the Mid-Florida Regional Manufacturers Association. For anyone interested in a good, fast-paced, strong career, this event offers you a window into the wide variety of opportunities that exist within the exciting and growing fields of manufacturing and supply chain. An exciting part of today's event are the virtual tours filmed just for you to give you a glimpse inside 3 great companies here in Ocala. Be sure to watch Ancorp, SVX Flow, and Winco Manufacturing Tours before you end today's event. We're excited that you are here and wish you the very best. Thank you.
I'm Mark Davis, President of Evermark Logistics and the current President of the Mid-Florida Regional Manufacturers Association. On behalf of MRMA, I'd like to welcome you to this year's Manufacturing and Logistics Career Fair, brought to you in partnership with CareerSource Citrus Levy Marion. This career fair is held as part of National Manufacturing Month and Manufacturing Month in Florida, recognizing the industry's significant contributions to our communities and economies. In fact, Florida ranks in the top 3 states in the nation for the number of manufacturing establishments. And here in Citrus, Levy, and Marion counties, there are more than 370 manufacturers with over 10,700 employees. The industry is growing today, and we're fortunate to have many top manufacturers here looking for new hires. Thank you for attending.